Okay, so this is my 1 year post my prostate surgery update. For those of you who watched my previous videos, um, exactly today, a year ago, I had my prostate surgery. It was an open prostate surgery, so there was no Da Vinci robotic surgery. My medical aid declined it because it was just too expensive. So I had an open prostate surgery, and in my case there was a complication. The doctor, when he opened up, he had the problem where my prostate had like sort of grown onto my rectum. I mean the two do come close to each other. The one rests against the other. And according to him, when he tried to loosen it, there was some damage done to the rectum, and it sounded like a small tiny hole developed, and that sort of made a channel through my from my rectum to my bladder. And so right from the start, when I was in the ICU, I had like air draining from my rectum through to my bladder, and also the other way around. So I mean, in the beginning it was like you would get urine going out your backside, and also some waste products, feces, also went the other way into my bladder. And that was very evident when I went to the toilet, and also on the pad, the initial pads that I wore back then. You could see the brown spots on the pad, and that was just a giveaway that there was definitely a tiny leak, hole or channel, what you want to call it. And the doctor wasn't sure if that was going to heal up. And anybody out there that's got the same complication, I can now report back that it took a year, but the hole did close up. I think there's still maybe a little, very tiny hole, but at this point I can actually say it's healing. I've got enough evidence of that. There's no more urine coming out my backside, and also the air coming through to my bladder is it is so little that it should close up soon completely. Okay, so yeah guys, just if that happened to you, obviously depending on exactly what happened, there's a good chance that that hole can close up completely. Unfortunately, when we look at erections, no erections. Still nothing happening in that area. Pads. This is the type of pads I'm wearing. Triangular shape. It's got a sticky part that links to your underwear. And I've tried to go to smaller pads, but at this stage it's not going to happen. So this I'm at a point where this weighs like this, weighs about 10 grams, and on a good day when I take it off, I wear it all day, I end up at about 40 grams, so you can make the math there. Yeah, like I said, there's still enough leaks that this is what I'm just going to wear. This is going to be my companion for I'm not sure how long, but that works for me now. And going onto a smaller pad is just I think at this stage I also started to work again. That just keeps me safe, and it just, I mean, I've never leaked through a pad like that. And there's not really any other options when I go to the pharmacy. So yeah, that's the one to stick to. Otherwise, guys, just hang in there. Like I said, I'm still leaking, but I'm at a point where sometimes, I mean, when I'm in bed, it is obviously I leak the least. When I do a lot of work during the day, obviously I leak more. Sometimes I feel it, otherwise, other times, I forget I've got the pad in. So I'm at a good place and a good point now. I can say it doesn't bother me so much. So hopefully in a year's time, maybe the leaks have stopped completely. So to all the guys out there just looking for information, yeah, obviously it will be different for you. The other thing that before I forget about that is I still have a lot of numbness um, around the penis area. There's because of all the nerve damage. So that might still get better in time. Only time will tell in any case, but yeah, it's still swollen. And yeah, if there's any changes, I'm going to report back on that. But for now, I think, yeah, I'm in a good place. Thank you very much, everybody. Cheers.